Are you ready for an emergency, especially in the wintertime? This is the donut, which is the spare for this Odyssey, and I never checked the pressure. Is that a good idea? If I would have driven on this donut, I would have had just more problems. So even though it felt full, it wasn't. You got to be really careful with donuts, and you definitely have to fill them with air. I mean, look at that. Here's the spare you saw earlier. It goes up to 60 PSI. I'm only taking it up to 50 for two reasons. One, because that's all this portable pump does. And two, it's 19 years old. I don't even know if I want to trust it on the road. When I swapped out the flat tire, I put it on the car, took the tire home since I was only 2 miles away. You could do the repair that I did inside the garage. Outside, it would be less convenient. And I've had a lot of portable pumps, but this is one of the best ones I've had. And it comes in a bag. You can pump up more than just tires with it. If you have a little accessory kit or pump up everything else, and then a charger. Just like the tire, you want to check this one before you go on any big trip. And even if you're not going on a big trip, you want to periodically check this, because I noticed that after a couple months, the charge goes down. You could have this up front, charge it in any of the outlets. It's a USB-C charger. You're ready for anything that might come your way. Another quick tip on this, you want to make sure that the extension here tightened down to the base. Otherwise, you're just not going to get enough pressure going into the tire. Since my one spare tire was flat, I figured I'd check them all. This is in my Explorer. Fortunately, the stem is on this side. It's reading 13.5 pounds. Even though this tire appears to be inflated, it's not. So we're gonna bring this up to at least 50 pounds. Now it's at 50, it's not 60, and this is a 6-year-old tire, so I probably would take it up to 60. It's good for now, but you would go to a gas station or something like that and use their pump. Hopefully you can get up to 60 on that. When you fill this up, make sure that you're standing far away, because 60 PSI is a lot on the tire, and you want to make sure that if this thing blows for some reason, you're not anywhere near where the pressure is. The tire is fixed, and now you're better prepared for roadside emergency. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of solutions to things that happen in life, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what kind of solutions and tips you're gonna see.